Aren't they nice? Look at that. What'd you take, one cast over there to catch him? They don't like that.
When I cast over, I'm like, oh, it's shallow. And I'm probably bumping bottom. Oh, nope, it's pulling back.
It's pulling back. Yep. See, that fly catches fish and anglers.
Classic. You see that?
Uh-uh.
A couple redfish floating on the top with his mullet.
Was there?
Yeah.
Cool. I put centipede legs on this one.
Is that what they call it?
That's what those are. It's called centipede legs. They seem to like it. I was trying to figure out something to do a spider crab. Alrighty. One more snickerdoodle. Come here, you little stinkers. Eating a snack bar and left the line in the water the whole time.
All you can see is the legs hanging out of his mouth.
Funny little guys.
I want him to say hi. It's amazing how these little fish like this size sometimes fight better than those 30.
Yeah, they've been very healthy. They're all in good shape.
Might even be the same one if he's got one spot on his tail. Yeah.
Patty, fly on. Oh, sheepshead! Nice.
He likes the crab.
He ate the old crabby. Alright, pull that rascal up here. Look at that old guy. I'm not touching it. Yucky. We got a double redfish here.
Double red.
Jason got one. I got one.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Everybody goes, it's too cold to go fishing. And it's not that cold. Look, here's proof it's not cold. See, we had to drink beer just to warm. 1, 2 redfish. Double.
Double.
Nice.